Hey y'all, it's Brooke with HubSpot. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use our new Figma plugin to create UI extensions in an instant. This plugin uses the components from the Figma Design Kit, so you'll need to make sure that you have a copy of that, and then you can run this plugin. Let's go ahead and see how this plugin works. In Figma, you're going to go ahead and click on this button here in the bottom, your Actions button, and then you're going to click on the plugins and widgets and search for the HubSpot Developers plugin. Then you're going to click on it and it will show up like this. It'll give you some information about how to use it. And so one of the best ways to use it is to actually choose a frame that is already on your page. So I have this here that looks like a page inside of HubSpot. And in here on the layers, I'm going to go ahead and select this frame. And now this will build my card inside of this frame. So let's go ahead and give this card a name. I'm going to say my app card. And then you can choose from our list of available components. And here you can say how many times you need this component. So let's go ahead and add a bar chart, not stacked. Let's add a divider because we might have some more stuff in here. Let's add a heading, and let's add a link. So now here in this selected components, you can actually drag and drop your components so that they will show up in your card in the order that you want them to. They will always show up top to bottom. So let's have the heading up top, and then we will have the bar chart, we'll have the divider, and then we'll have the link at the bottom. And if you ever need to delete any of them, you can go ahead and click on the X button and that will delete them. Now, all you have to do is click on Create UIE Card. And there you go. Within an instant, you have a UIE card. Now, there are some things that will need to be finessed. So you can go ahead and play with these items just like you would if you were building this from scratch in Figma. But this gives you a great starting point so that you don't have to be building these from scratch. Let me know what you think. And I will see you all in another video. Bye, y'all.
Bye-bye.